What up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a Bank 1 camshaft position sensor. This is on a 2010 F-150. This is the 4.6 liter V8. I got Bank 2 over here, right down in here. That's Bank 2. We got Bank 1 right here. Gonna need an 8mm metric. It's the same for your battery if you want to disconnect that to reset your engine light. And you just come in here, loosen her up. Oh, she's already loose. Now there's an O-ring fitting on this sensor, so it's a little snug. When you go to pull it out, trying to get this screw out here. Without dropping it. There we go. Right here. Now, you also got a clip on this sensor. Easier to show you on this one. There's a little button on it right here. You just want to press that. So, press this button on here. And this electronic portion should come off. Right here. Now we got the actual sensor. Which this one is in a tighter spot than the other one. So it's going to take some finagling. Almost would be better if I could get two hands in there, but I'm trying to film for you guys. Yeah, these sensors can be a bitch. Come on. Alright, I'll come back to you fellas on this one. Alright boys, I figured I'd come back to you on this one with kind of a trick. With the sensor down here, it's in a real tight location. And it has that O-ring on there, so it's real snug. If you just get a flathead screwdriver and go in between the sensor and the block right here, just turn it sideways, pop that boy right off. Just be careful, you don't want to fuck your actual engine up there. But here's our old sensor. We'll come back to you with the new one, then we're going to install. Alright boys, I'm back at you again with clean hands and a fresh new part here that we're getting ready to install. So you just want to come down here, put it in the hole. You just want to pop her in. God. They can be tight. I'll come back to you fellas when I get this boy inserted. Alright, we got it in. So if you kind of give it a little twist when you're putting it in there, it goes in a hell of a lot better. Okay. So I think it's all lined up. Come in with the screw. Now I'm off a little bit. Bring that. Right there. Try that. Make sure to get this lined up. There we go. All right. Now we're just going to tighten this back up. This is just a sensor, you don't need to crank it down a lot. Just give it a couple pounds of torque. That's all it should need. Now we'll hook this back up. Should just press right on. Hear it click on. Give it a little tug, make sure it's on. And you're good. And that's how you replace, that's a bank 1 camshaft position sensor. And again, you got your bank 2 right there. So real easy to get to, real easy to do. No reason to take it in if that's the code you pull. Just get her done.